It's day 2 and I didn't talk much in my video. I just literally stepped out and started vlogging, and I do apologize for that, guys, but sometimes I forget and I just want to go about my day and I forget, honestly. But yeah, I was able to get some shopping done today. I got some Christmas gifts and I also purchased nail items. I'm so happy about that because normally in the past I would have to ask for permission to shop at Nail Partner, but now they're allowing foreigners to shop as long as you present your passport. What else? Oh, your license. You have to be licensed. Even if it's from a foreign country, you have to have a license. And they also asked for my Instagram, which I thought was a little interesting, but it makes sense. You know, they want to know that you're an actual nail technician. You're not there trying to buy a bunch of supplies trying to resell them, because I feel like a lot of people do that. Otherwise they wouldn't be so strict. And another reason why I think that's the reason they're strict is because one of the rules was that I cannot buy more than 5 of the same thing. So that was kind of, yeah, that was kind of a negative thing for me. But it's okay, I don't need a ton. Sometimes I do want to go a little crazy, but yeah, when I get home I want to show you guys what I purchased. And sorry, I keep looking at the other my eyes keep going that way because I'm recording on my iPhone. I didn't bring my camera with me. It was a lot to pack, so I didn't bring my camera. So I do apologize if I keep staring the other way. So anyway, we went to the Konbini after everything and now we're at the hotel, and I'm so tired. I think I'm jet lagged still. But yeah, we brought food. I want to show you guys what I got at the Konbini. Of course, I had to get bananas, another onigiri, egg sandwich. These are so good. Melon pan. And I got these candies because they're gummy. I know I shouldn't be eating candy because I have braces, but these are soft. These are not soft. I believe this is like ramune candy, or how do you say it? Ramune? Like soda candy. It's peach and soda flavored. They look like marbles, don't they? They look so cool. So hard candy and gummy candy, cups, spoon, because I've been eating oatmeal at the hotel. I brought my own oatmeal. More bananas. Pudding. And oh, another pudding. Jamil got another pudding. And he also got a beer. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I bought from Tokyo Hands, where I purchased some Christmas gifts for my family. I'm not going to show the gifts because I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I ended up getting a ton of stickers. Not a ton, but quite a few. They were so cool. The sticker selection is so cool at Tokyo Hands. I highly recommend if you're here in Japan. Not sure if you're outside of Tokyo. If you're here in Tokyo, highly recommend going. It's like a store. It's kind of like a department store. I would compare it to something like Target, where they have a little bit of everything minus the groceries. So yeah, I want to show you guys what I got. Bought this badge. This is actually for a client. She's obsessed with One Piece. I got this really cute sticker of this doggy. Reminds me of my dog Mako. This really cool sticker here of fun and butter. Got this one. Got this little piggy. I don't know his name. Or, yeah, Tahi. From, what's the... Ramna? I don't watch the anime, guys. My husband watches it. I just really like this little piggy. I got this... Oh, Jamil also got one of these. 2 of these stickers. It looks like the ticket for the subway. I'm going to use that on my cell phone case. Miku. Jamil picked this one out. Another Miku. She's entering a portal. Look at her shoes. How cute. Boots. Super cute. Oh, they're boots. Yeah, you're right. That looks cute. And then Jamil got this big ass sticker to put on his luggage. And I also got a diffuser. It's linen scent. It smells really good. And that's all that this is everything I got for from Tokyo Hands. Oh, so that's it. Not much going on at the moment. I keep doing that. I'm sorry. This is gonna be so annoying for you guys to watch, but I apologize. I can't help it. I'm staring at the screen instead of the actual camera. Yeah. All right, guys. That's it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.